We are powerful, use our powers without knowing. To live without growing, spiritually is where the power lives. The spirit realm is what the power is. Create from inside, it changes the outer with pure confidence for spiritual dominance. Thinking we powerless, submitting to illusions that cause heartache and mass confusion. Time to take our power back and shut it all down. With infinite wisdom, the mind is sound. Overcome distractions, become our purpose. To master ourselves when the spirit is nurtured. No nurturing sadness, worry and pain, violence and chaos. It tortures the brain. It's time to realize how powerful we are. Become the light in the dark and shine with the stars.
When you're feeling down, you can use your power. When it's all around, you can use your power. And when you're feeling scared, you can use your power. Look inside yourself and use your power. Nobody got your back, you can use your power. Everybody turn their back, you can use your power. No more sadness, use your power. Realize that you got the power, use your power.
Nor using our power to destroy ourselves. Taught behavior to be trapped and fail. Become a victim, giving power to foolery. Drugs, money, fame, cars, and jewelry can't give us peace when the mental's in need. A spirit guidance where the true power breeds. When you don't believe, then the power is lost. Choose real over fake, or your fate is the cause. With no receipt, getting jerked out of life. Follow what's followed and you can't see the light. Get so much power to dark and hopeless. A status or attention, no peace or focus. Don't realize how powerful we are, giving power to illusions. The brain is scarred. It's time to heal and use the power for real. No more being destroyed. It's time to build.
When you're feeling down, you can use your power. When it's all around, you can use your power. And when you're feeling scared, you can use your power. Look inside yourself and use your power. Nobody got your back, you can use your power. Everybody turn their back, you can use your power. No more sadness, use your power. Realize that you got the power, use your power.
There's power in thought, think good intentions. Become the master at what we inventing. We are creators, given what to create. Choose God, no matrix, safe in His grace. It's time to be free of the matrix control. Use their way of life before creating our own. And it can be done when we choose to do it. That God-given power, the creator and rulers inside will school you. Unknown to others, that's powerful. Gain power when discovered. All that we need is right inside us. No need to worry, cause God supplies us. Once the power's felt, it's unstoppable. No one stopping you, can't stop the truth. The power's ours for the taking. So use the power with every move that we make.
When you're feeling down, you can use your power. When it's all around, you can use your power. And when you're feeling scared, you can use your power. Look inside yourself and use your power. Nobody got your back, you can use your power. Everybody turn their back, you can use your power. No more sadness, use your power. Realize that you got the power, use your power.